All right, I'm on the bottom of page 483 now. Copy and solve. Make a dot plot of the data. Here's our data over here. So let's make the dot plot first. So we need a number line. Looks like my data goes from 3 all the way up to, what, 15? Okay, so I'll start at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What did I, oh, I forgot. I started at 3. Mr. Music. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so let's start with the 3s. There's 1 3, 2 3s. So we put 2 dots above the 3. Let's go with the 4s. 1, 1, 4. 5, no 5, 6, no 7, no 8, no 9, no 10, no 11, yes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, 12, 4 12s, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 13s, and all of them, I believe so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 14s. Looks like there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 15s. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so there is our dot plot. So we can see that the number 13 comes up the most. Next, make a frequency table of the data with 3 intervals. Excuse me. So I make my table. Okay. And this is what? Gloria's daily sit-ups. That's the title. Okay, and I'm going to set this up to where I can do a frequency table and a relative frequency table because I see that's my next step. And they're essentially the same thing. So I'm going to do 3 through 7 as my first group. Oh, whoops, let me label this actually. This is sit-ups. This is frequency. And this is relative frequency. So my first group will be 3 to 7. And 3 to 7 happen 3 times. My next group will be 8 to 12. Notice the distance or the difference between the two numbers is the same. So from 8 to 12 now. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. And then from 13 to 17. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 occurrences. Okay, now to find the relative frequency, remember we need to find out how many total pieces of data we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 25 pieces of data. So that means the frequency 3 over 25, I need to change that to a percent. So I take the denominator, divide it into the numerator. I can add a decimal. Goes in one time, 25, subtract, gives me 5, add a 0, bring it down, and 2 times, so 12%. Okay, the next one is going to be the same thing, but it's 7 out of 25. So I divide the denominator 25 into the numerator, add a decimal, add a 0, bring my decimal up, goes in twice, that's 50. Subtract gives me 20, add a 0, bring it down. 25 cents for $2, that would be 8 times. So that's 28%. And lastly, 15 out of 25 times. 15 into 25. Add my, well, and I don't need that. Nope, that's why. Denominator first. Denominator into numerator. Mr. Music. Add my decimal. Okay, 25 cents, $1.50, 6 times. And that would be, if I move my decimal over twice, 60%. So now I kind of combine my frequency and relative frequency charts into one, because it shows the frequency and it also shows the relative frequency. Okay, describe how you decided on the intervals for the frequency table. They needed to be the same distance apart. And had to include all the data points. Yeah, it's okay that none of them got up to 17, but this range would at least guarantee that I included all the data points. Okay, think smarter. Could someone use the information in the frequency table to make a dot plot? Explain. No, because they don't know the 3 times that it landed between 3 and 7, they don't know if it landed on 7 all 3 times, if it landed on 3, 4, and then 5. So you could not make a dot plot with just a frequency table. So I'm going to say no, the person would not know where to put the dots. I mean, they'd have an idea, they'd know it would go somewhere, the dots would go somewhere down here, but they would have no idea exactly where to put those dots. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.